Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about saints and sinners and how they're basically really the same thing. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites, including one that'll take you out to Amazon.com with all the best-selling books excerpted here on the channel in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series of books. Saints abound in San Miguel de Allende, on buildings, street signs, daily greetings, and villages around town. But what exactly is a saint? A saint is a person who is recognized as having exceptional degrees of holiness or closeness to God. Technically, a saint is anyone in heaven, whether recognized or not. The title saint denotes a person who has been officially declared a saint by the Church, called canonization. The Catholic Church perspective is that it does not create saints, but rather simply recognizes them. A saint may be designated as a saint of a particular cause, profession, locale, or invoked as a protector against specific illnesses or disasters, sometimes by popular customs and sometimes by official declarations of the Church. For example, St. Jude, pictured in the top, is the patron saint of lost causes, and why the Memphis Hospital, focused on terminally ill children, is named for him, as they were lost causes. Once a person has been canonized or declared an official saint by the Church, the deceased body of the saint is considered holy as a relic. The relics of saints are usually placed in churches to be venerated like a painting or statue. Relics were big business back in the medieval times, as like photography does now, they provided a way for the faithful to relate to the holy. The relics of St. Columbanus reside in the chapel of Mary's home in the oratorio, in a life-size wax image of a man lying across the altar you see here. Some of the saints have special symbol by tradition, making them even easier to recognize. For example, St. Lucy always holds a pair of eyeballs, reminding the viewer for abilities to improve your vision, or St. Peter holding the keys to heaven, deciding who gets in. The Church has canonized over 10,000 saints, but we know the number of saints in heaven is far more. All saints, those known and unknown to us, are celebrated on All Saints' Day, November 1st, when dead children, being saints, can come back and visit for Day of the Dead. The day a saint is celebrated is their feast day. The Catholic Church assigns one date out of the year for each and every canonized saint, though there can be several on a single day to accommodate. As a kid, I assumed it was called your feast day because you got to pick your favorite meal for dinner. Here it is called your Dia de Santo. Frequently, a baby is named for the saint celebrated on their birthday. Plus, always remember saints are simply sinners that just kept going in an effort to get it right. As always, feel free to click the subscribe now button below and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they're released here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.